This video is on how to tell if you have tailbone pain. I'm Dr. Patrick Foy. I'm a medical doctor from the website www.tailbonedoctor.com. Many people suffer with low back pain, and some of them have pain that's coming from the tailbone or coccyx area. The question becomes, how do you know if that's where your pain is coming from? And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. First of all, most important, of course, is the location. For tailbone pain, it tends to be located right in the midline, right between the buttocks and just above the anus. So it's lower than most causes of low back pain. If you're not sure about where the tailbone is, you can look at some images online of x-rays and anatomic models. We have some available at the website at tailbonedoctor.com, or you can search for images on the internet. Aside from the location, one of the important things is whether you remember having any injury or trauma to the area. Some people may have slipped or fallen and landed on the buttocks or tailbone. That may have started the tailbone pain in the first place. Other patients may have had pregnancy or childbirth, labor and delivery that was the start of their tailbone pain. Although in others it comes sort of out of the blue and is what we call idiopathic. Another question is, what exacerbates or makes the pain worse? For most people with tailbone pain, sitting is one of the worst activities in terms of causing their pain, and especially if they sit leaning partway back. Some people also have pain when they first get up from the seated position. And lastly, a way to tell if you have tailbone pain, of course, is to see your physician. Your doctor can do a careful history and physical examination and may order some tests as well that can help to tell you if that's where your pain is really coming from. Just a couple of quick warnings. Please realize that these videos are considered educational and they're not meant to be medical advice. You would want to see an actual physician to be evaluated, to be seen in person for medical assessment. Also realize that not all physicians are familiar with treating tailbone pain or coccyx pain. So probably start with your primary care physician, but if you're unsatisfied or if your primary care physician is not really sure what's causing your pain or how to treat it, you can always find specialists on the internet by Googling tailbone doctor or something along those lines to look for a doctor near you. Other things are that you should realize that sometimes tailbone pain is coming from very serious underlying medical conditions that need to be evaluated for. So it's not something to just ignore. You really owe it to yourself to be evaluated and get checked out. Thank you.